Hello everyone. Are you looking for good phone under 15,000? If you are looking for good phone under 15,000, then don't worry. I have brought for you the top 2 best mobile phones under 15,000. Okay, without any delay, let's get started. Number 1. Motorola Moto G35. First unboxing. Inside the box, you get the Moto G35, 20-watt adapter, C-type charger cable, SIM ejector tool. The phone designing and build quality is very nice. It's a sleek design. The company has launched 3 types of color like guava red, leaf green and midnight black. It's feel premium in hands. Moto G35 cost is under 10,000. Okay, let's know about the display. The Moto G35 comes with 6.7-inch Full HD Plus LCD display with 120 Hz refresh rate, good quality IPS display. Backside vegan leather design. Its look good. This phone not very heavy. Under the hood, it's powered by the Infinix T760 with a 4GB of RAM and storage capacity 128GB. This phone runs smoothly and high setting. 5000 mAh battery. You can easily 6 to 7 hours heavy use. 3.5mm audio jack, Type-C, microphone in front of Gorilla Glass 3, a right side power on-off button and mounted fingerprint sensor, volume rocker, SIM card tray, noise cancelling microphone. About the multimedia, the sound quality very nice, support Dolby Audio, 1 year major update, 3 year security update. In this phone, have a dual camera setup with a 50 megapixel primary sensor and 8 megapixel depth sensor. 16 megapixel front camera is great for selfies. If you are looking best quality and solid performance mobile phone, this phone is best for you. Number 2. Infinix Note 40 5G. Inside the box, you get Infinix Note 40, 33-watt charger, USB Type-C charging cable, SIM card tool. The phone designing and build quality is very nice. One of the best thing in this phone, supporting 2 wireless charger, 120 Hz AMOLED display, 5000 mAh battery. You can easily 6 to 7 hours heavy use. 108 megapixel camera. Processor is MediaTek Dimensity 7020 with 8GB of RAM and storage capacity 256GB. In this phone have a JBL speaker, so the sound quality is very nice. It comes with a Android 14. So friends, that's it our review. What do you think about this phone? Drop your thoughts in the comment box. If you are like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.